video number 2 of IBM Watson Analytics tutorial by Bharati DW Consultancy. In my last video, we discussed about how to quickly upload your data and ask business questions on your dataset. So in the last video, we have uploaded this sample dataset. Next is we are going to talk about this icon define. So working with data in IBM Watson Analytics. When you have uploaded the dataset, then you can click on the Refine Data icon on the Watson interface. This Refine Data structure or tool gives a quality score for each column, which indicates what's the column's potential readiness for to be used in prediction. You can also create calculations and you can add as new columns for your analysis. You can also create hierarchies if you want to create more insights in your dataset. So let's explore or let's find out what's defined. So I click on refine and it's going to ask me to choose the dataset which I want to define. Click on the BDCS sales dataset, and this is the data, how it looks like for refinement purposes. This is the tree, and you can scroll like this and you can see few columns: sales quality, quantity, amount, sales cost, and discount. You can roll back or go back to wherever you were. Next is on the left side there are a few icons. The first one is this actions. This gives you a vertical list of all the columns which you have in the Excel sheet. Next, you can create calculations or create data group or hierarchy by clicking on these icons. Let's create a calculation and see how easy it is, how intuitive it is. Click on this calculation and I'm going to create profit or loss. So profit or loss is defined by sales amount minus sales cost. So profit is defined by what was my sales and what was my cost. And the difference would give you the profit or loss. You can also see there are functions, basic functions available. And also you can choose some default numbers. But for now, I'm just doing sales amount minus sales cost. This new calculation, which was profit, would now be available in the list of columns. And also you can see by scrolling here. You can also click on any column and filter on that column. It's like Excel sheet. You can filter whatever you would like. Let's create a hierarchy. Hierarchy. If you click on this, it's going to ask you to create a hierarchy name. I'm going to say geographic hierarchy. And from the levels, I can add levels to the hierarchy. Country, state, I was looking for city, but it's not there. So two levels in a hierarchy, country and state, and I'm going to click done. You can see that hierarchy is created here. Canada and US and states. Once I'm done, I can save this refinement as BDCS sales data refinement. And once saved, you can see your data has been saved. Next is the quality of data. So click on this data metrics and it's going to give you quality of each column if it is good enough to do some predictive analysis. So you can see my customer segment score is 100 and the data quality looks good to be able to, anything about 60 or 80% is very good for analysis and predictive. Well, with this, I'm going to work on the explore data in my next video. Thank you for watching.